In Broward, there was a lot of youth violence going on. There was a teen, he had asked a young lady out on a date. For whatever the reason, he became irate and he kicked her skull in. We realized that something had to be done about the youth violence. They get the regular reading, writing, and arithmetic, but they don't get the information that they need to build healthy and strong relationships. Broward County is going to address this problem, and the Dating Matters program is part of that solution.
Addressing these types of issues now in a proactive and preventative manner with middle school students is really critical. There's a lot of dysfunction, a lot of violence within the families themselves. So working with not only the young people, but also with the families, that's a real critical piece of really getting to the root cause of what's going on.
Investing in Dating Matters enables you to really create a sustainable and lifelong change. We're really starting to raise a generation who view violence as not okay and not normal. So you have entire generations, entire communities that are starting to reap the benefits of having children and young adults and adults that don't choose to behave in violent manners.
What we found, of course, is kids come with no manuals. If parents know the signs and can themselves talk to their youngster, and schools are more aware, the teachers are trained, the students are trained, then definitely there is an influence in the community that teen dating violence is unacceptable, and it goes from being 1 to 4 to maybe 1 in 1,000 or 1 never.
The Dating Matters program has really had an impact on thousands of young people. We really have liked the ambassadors, high school students that are in the ambassadors of the program come in and talk to the middle school students. We really like having those peer role models.
We talk to them about healthy dating relationships and what it feels like to be respected in a relationship, not just in a relationship boyfriend or girlfriend wise, but with your mother, your father, and how you should be respected and how you should respect others. They're like, whoa, what is this supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? And then once we break that shell of them being uncomfortable, they're more able to open up to us, and then we're more able to open up to them and give them information that we know.
This program is the beginning of, okay, this generation we're going to work on, but this generation is going to lead the way for the next 2, 3, 4 down the road. If I change the behavior of mom and dad and the child, when that child has children of his own or her own, that behavior will continue.
I am certain that the folks that are involved in the program right now will be reinforcing this information and teaching it to their children. And I think that the information will continue to tree out and spread in our community. This is going to have an impact on those youth and help stop that cycle.